welcome back.
Getting better at that. Doing things that make you stay.
I'm in a different area in my house today. I'm in the kitchen, and this, this is like different kind of territory, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is scary kind of stuff. Like, I shouldn't be allowed in the kitchen. Doing something a little different here. I'm going to be blending up stuff in my fridge. I'm scared to do this because I'm actually gonna have to drink it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of weird stuff today. You're gonna need a blender. I'm gonna be blending them up and drinking, and also putting them in the oven. I'm excited. I'm not excited. Putting that in there too. This is so disgusting. Okay, let's continue. There's like a couple old fries, so I'm just gonna dump those in. So disgusting. Okay, so that's in there. How is everyone doing? Is everyone doing alright? Like, school hasn't even started yet. It's like in a week, but I just feel like everything's just going uphill from here. I'm gonna take some of this. Okay, I don't want. So I have Pepto-Bismol in my fridge, and honestly, I don't want to do this anymore. I kind of want to like go to sleep, but we all know that's not going to happen because your girl doesn't sleep. So we have some aloe vera gel. I use this on my face, like it's really cool. Oh god. Alfredo sauce. This expires in 2000 and I don't know. Because it's literally cut off. So, oh god. No, I don't think this is right. Oh god. Let's add some of tonight's dinner. Spaghetti. Why am I doing this to myself? Like, I have so many other... I could really just, like, watch Netflix right now, but this is what I'm doing. On what? A Tuesday? It's Tuesday, right? Yeah. Around, like, 6 o'clock on a Tuesday. Let's just blend up what's in my fridge. Okay. So I think this is ready. Really focus on how disgusting this looks. So we're gonna take our little time and we're going to pour it into a cup and okay, let's just get this over with. Oh! Oh my. This is a big piece. Oh god, okay, so I'm literally just gonna leave it like this. Like, I don't care. I don't care. So, Hi, buddy, come down. It's okay. Come on. Okay. Oh god, it just finished. It means that I have to eat that now. I have no words. It literally tastes and feels like the texture got, oh my god, let me sit down and talk to you guys. Actual vomit. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I don't really understand why I would do this to myself, but at the same time, I'm just trying to avoid taking that out the oven and cutting it up and eating it. Like, it's disgusting. Like, it's like you can see the trail of what I ate. Like, look at that whole trail. Oh! Yes, but that was utterly and do that. Let's dig in, everyone. Oh my god. Let's just. I don't want to do it. Can I chicken out? Can I just delete this footage? Like, can I just pretend like this never happened? Oh! like I should really just like completely go through this for everyone who's watching this. So my final say on everything that literally just occurred in my mouth, I don't really know what to say here other than that was utterly disgusting. And I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. I honestly hope that nothing I took out was spoiled, because then that's literally just death in a smoothie. Yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I totally didn't. Comment down below what type of videos you want to see. If you want to see me, like, I don't know, jump off a cliff or something, like I'm down for that, you know? If you want to see me do more disgusting things like this, like this video if you want, subscribe if you like, and stay blessed and talk less, because talking less keeps you out of drama.